just make sense, and I don't want to get stereotyped, and I have these fears. And how will it look convincing if Abhishek and I played parents to Mr. Bachchan? So all these things were going through my head over and over again. And what I loved about Balki, that he not once did he say, trust me, you will not repent this film. He just said, trust your instinct. You want to do it. I can see it. And I couldn't deny that. Not only did I trust the script, but I trusted him as a director. I love his sensibility. Yeah.
I want to ask you that you're a good actor and you know it. All of us know it. But when you
discover what it is to become that other person, I don't know again how that happened. That magic had begun to happen in Pa. I was just enjoying it. So I felt every bit like Vidya, Auro's mother. Now, all of us had such a nice equation on set with, and I've heard many actors say this, it was like a family setup, and we all got along very well with each other. We all really genuinely got along so well with each other, but there was no fun or anything. On Balki's set, there's no faffing, there's no time pass happening. So you accomplish a lot of work in a day. Also, he trusts you completely as an actor. He helps you interpret it. I remember the first day of shoot, we did that scene where, Auro wants to eat achar with his khichdi. And when I first did it, I was like panicking when I see him go for the achar bottle. And Balki came to me and he said, you've seen this for 13 years. This boy wants to eat achar, and you explain to him. So it's a regular feature. You're not meeting Auro who has progeria for the first time today. And you're not trying to, handle the situation. He's your son. And you're dealing with this day in and day out. So just do it like you would. It's matter of fact. That was all he said. That set the tone for my characterization, for Mr. Bachchan's characterization, for Arundhati's characterization. And it was then very easy. Therefore, in that scene where she says, bol do ki uska, I was going to say baap kaun hai, and suddenly it sounded like mera baap chor hai. No, but bol do usko Amol ka naam. And I say, kya bol do. It's a natural instinct. No, someone's telling you, you know that your child deserves to know who his father is, especially because he's meeting him. But you know that man didn't want to accept your child. So what is a natural instinct? So I think you just submit to the moment, and that happens when you're working with a director like Balki, who you can surrender yourself to.
You just mentioned Ishma.
Can you hear me? Is the mic working? Yeah. Okay. I would like... Thank you, inshallah. Anmol is truly priceless and precious. Ishu, can I take one? Thank you. राज क्या है? साल के इस वक्त में सब चमकते हैं दिवाली की वजह से. And starting from now, I think it's just the beginning of the festive season. So it's lights all around. बाहर अपने अंदर.
What is the plan for Diwali?